Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, that's really simple. So take a look. When you grab your watch and rotate in this place, let me just catch focus, there we go, you can find two gold pins. So in your box, in this box, you can actually find this charger. So first of all, you will have to put these two gold pins right here and the opposite side. And as you can see right now, it is connected. And this end, this second end of the cable, that's the USB-A, you can actually plug into your USB port in the PC, laptop, console, for example, into the charging brick, whatever you have next to you, you can actually plug it and you will actually charge your watch. That's really, really simple. So just remember to correctly put this part of the charger into the watch. Let me just catch focus one more time. There we go. So remember to let it stick like this. And the second end of the cable plug into the second USB port with the power source. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.